M is for monkey with Hopi. Hopi woke up with a big smile and a curious heart. Right in the middle of the room sat a giant, glowing, golden letter M. "Today is a magic day," she whispered. Hopi touched the letter, and suddenly the room began to sparkle with adventure. With a wiggle and a giggle, Hopi found herself in a lush, green jungle. High above in the emerald trees, someone was laughing. "Hello there," called a friendly voice. It was Monty, a very mischievous monkey with a long, curly tail. Monty loved to show off. He swung from branch to branch, doing flips and tricks. "Look at me, Hopi," Monty shouted. He grabbed 3 round, orange mangoes and began to juggle them in the air. M is for monkey, and M is for mangoes. "Where to next?" Hopi asked. Monty pointed far across the jungle floor. Peeking through the clouds was a magnificent, tall mountain with a purple peak. "That's a big M word," Monty chirped. They started walking toward the giant slope. The air grew crisp and cool as they reached the base of the mountain. Hopi looked up at the rocky cliffs. "It's so tall, it touches the sky," she exclaimed. The mountain looked like a giant stone king watching over the world. As the sun began to set, the sky turned a deep, royal blue. Suddenly, a soft glow appeared. A giant, round, smiling moon rose above the mountain peak. "M is for moon," Hopi whispered, feeling very peaceful under the silvery light. Down in the soft grass, Monty heard a tiny squeak. He leaned over and saw a very small friend. It was Mimi, a tiny mouse with big, round ears and a pink nose. "Don't be shy, Mimi," Monty said with a warm smile. Mimi the mouse was very thirsty after her long day of play. She found a little blue bowl filled with cold, white milk. She took a tiny sip and licked her whiskers. M is for mouse, and M is for milk. Suddenly, a rhythmic sound filled the air. Pluck-a-tap, pluck-a-tap. Hopi pulled out a small mandolin and began to play. Mimi the mouse started to twirl and dance. The jungle was alive with beautiful music. Hopi hugged Monty and Mimi. "We found so many M things today," she said. The monkey, the moon, the mountain, the milk, the mouse, and the music hit was the most magical day ever. Hopi knew that the letter M was her new favorite friend. M is for monkey with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.